afternoon. Today's debate topic is competition good or bad for student. According to me, competition is good for student because it makes work harder because student students see others doing well, they try to improve yourself. And it also teach discipline because the student learn new things and and uh, and achieve your goals,
achieve your goals, achieve their goals.
achieve their goals. And it also teach in real life because in real life also competition is job and success, and and competition is good for everyone because it teaches many things. It learns new things and try to your best. So competition is good for student and everyone.
Yes, according to me, competition is good for students because of competition gives motivations to students because of first if there is no confidence, no sorry, no competition, so that time all people are thinking like all are on only one step. So they have any knowledge or they don't have any knowledge or that particular subjected like that. So they are flowing on. They're thinking like we can flow only. We should flow only like flow of water. So though they doesn't prepare or like they don't prepare prepare well and fight the each other because of all are thinking like we are same. So that time our education is also education system is also affect from that type because of all are thinking we are all same stage. So when after that that time our education will affect on that particular stage. And after that if there are a competition in any competitive exams or in school also. So that time we motivate from other persons or the other person, and we will make prepare ourselves for fighting them, and also prepare for mm, stepping on also height. So we are that time. So competition is a good thing in our education system, but in our India competition is spread in many things like uh, uh, costing wise. That is bad thing because of one general cost person get 90% or 90 percentile, but they didn't get any they don't get any job that time. But any STOBC person that they earn 40 numbers only, they got a good job like that, and they heading that people those are very good strength in subjected or knowledge. So that time also is very bad things. So competition will be on only on mark basis. So that is good in good things.
According to me, competition is um, life of student, part of student. It can be both good and bad, depend on how to handle this. Like motivation, competition is a good way like how to achieve good skills, develop and good result. And competitions
Okay, fine. So you think about it. So what do you want to tell about it?
Competition is bad thing. Why? Because competitions give a more pressure for student. Um, if you too much of competitions,
If there is,
there is too much of competition. Students affect for health, mental health. Student they don't know that competition. That time afraid more and you students feel very bad and low confidence also. That's why competition is gives bad.
I stand for in competition but for students. Why? Because there are nowadays there are so many competition happening. Whether it is singing competition and running and for a study purpose and exam. So most of people what they thinking if they have exam, so that time they studied a lot of they studied so many times and they don't know the daily routines and they don't follow the times. So one day they are doing hard work, one day they are not doing hard work. So that time one day they are doing hard work, so next day they will they got the fevers and some mind strength. So that's why it is good,
But
it is
if they are, we are all same. So how to differentiate what is that skill and your skill? You
Yeah,
all are
so-
same. Your flow and you only water flow like that.
Okay,
So what
but
is
One
the
students are
nowadays
make a very
education-
one students are perform very well.
But
Another students feel not perform but low.
Yes. So
And
that time-
that time students low performance students are afraid more in
No, if
good
competition is
performance students.
not there, so that things जो
First you
who
enter-
perform very well,
your mental
there is
health becomes very
also
important.
disturb. Like we are same only. Who cannot perform very well and I perform very well. So that those are only same.
And competition
So they are
also
trying
comparison
so that
also-
person-
you are afraid
so
more
that
and
that person is
mental
also
health
get moral
affected.
down.
and competition
Because of that,
not
we
also
are on the
it
same.
also learning and new things
Yeah.
achieving.
Okay, so I know the learning things, but you keep you learning slowly, not fastly. If you go the fast way, then your mind
Competition is different,
your mind
not
is
slowly and
your mind
fastly.
is,
Yes.
What is the
One
competition?
students
So not
learn
slowly
very
and
well,
fastly.
others learn slowly.
competition
Because
That
there
time
is-
competition is more
everything has a
special,
system and
mental,
process.
more
One thing-
stress for
system and
if-
students.
one thing,
then
if you are
grow,
preparing for
then
singing,
you grow
if
fast.
we are preparing for singing on
If you
stage,
want to grow fast, then you can't unable to do the competition. So if you
no, my just opinion.
But competition
You are
also-
every competition it takes time. So you keep like slowly. You keep I don't know, but I am talking about the you keep slowly, not
No,
fast.
competition is there.
Competition makes us better, not compete with others and
Okay, I know it's better, but sometimes you got frustrated. That time what will do? What you will do?
Why you got frustrated?
Because suddenly you have to study. So
No, mind is same for all person, na. How do we learn and how to get the things only, na.
any
there are so
things
many
only.
time consume. So
And I also said that is competition is only mark basis, not the cost basis. So that is main things in our mind. Because of you and
not a
I and you in same class, so we are thinking our same. We will get that number,
And
so
when-
that I will be selected
and
only.
when when
So
people.
that time you compete to
See,
make
the marks only.
see-
The other
No.
things also
Yes.
competition.
If you are a singing teacher, so that time your student will perform on stage. So you will mixed up the all student basic, pre-basic and like that only
So music teacher.
music teacher. Yes. So that time no na, that is also competition type na, not in education. That competition is all of things in many things in all of the like all of the order like that.
And we also see others doing well, so we try better and best for your learning and other things also. So
Nowadays,
competition is
people
many
also
many
focus
places
or
for
competitions are there. That time people are focusing only job. It will affect their mental health also. If you not able to not
But
able
many
to
times competition also got job because they lost.
many people are affect their mental health.
No, but
Okay,
competition is not there in our education system or like that.
So we
So
are
how
talking
differentiate
about
the people
competition.
who is skilled people are not, or how he will get anything or like that.
Competition.
There is no difference, na.
That time
All of
people-
things will flow in or
That
water
people,
flow only.
Like,
And how
that
to
people-
help to get the job in,
Get the-
without competition.
Some people are understand, some
Many
people
jobs
are
are-
Understanding it is
competition.
competition is more effective on our education, na. And how to differentiate who is the good knowledge and who having not good knowledge or skills like that.
Okay,
So that time competition is very important play like that. So differentiate the people only.
Okay.
And competition plays
Where?
many
Let me explain
plays.
that. If you have exam, right?
Yes.
So you are studying not well.
Yes.
So you have only 3-4 days.
Yes.
That time you means what time like how many hours you have studied.
Why you are not studying
Because
earlier? Why you are
want
not
to
studying
mark-
earlier?
You want to
That is not thing, na.
some
So
mistakes
if
are
you are
there. Some
you
mistake you
No,
did
no,
not
it's
study.
a-
You
it's up to
must
you,
take
na.
your mistakes and
if you are preparing
Only
only
increase their mental health.
if you are start preparing only before the exam date, so your mental pressure is already high.
Also-
It's not any
but you
well, na.
prepare
But you are
prepare before
preparing
and-
not whole the year,
Yes.
so that is good thing.
No, now
And you also
competition
prepare
is
for
what?
compete only, na?
Competition is what?
No.
Means fighting to each other, right?
No,
Fighting
competition.
one each other,
If
fighting.
it is healthy competition, it goods for you.
It is only differentiate to people.
Yes.
And how to differentiate people in education system without competition? Please
If
say.
you are not
And
prepared,
many
then
government
No, preparing is different
jobs
thing.
also
it's come
competition
out
are
of
How
there.
to differentiate the people?
The differentiation, no?
Without marking system or without competition.
Nowadays,
We all are get the job by
government
government,
jobs
not na.
has many
So how
competition
to-
are there. So people fighting and
No.
got job with competition.
So, people, a lot of like struggling with the time consume, and so that time they don't have time. So how to prepare well? So that way
If they don't have time, why they are preparing the examination? They
Okay,
are
so-
doing something
Okay,
else.
so suddenly
Not
you want
this one.
become a
They don't have time.